I will now demonstrate how to use the eraser tool in Adobe Photoshop. The tool can be found halfway down the menu, with the shortcut key being E. In this example, I have another photo that I am overlaying on top of the background to add depth to the image. After resizing it, I begin using the eraser tool to remove unwanted artifacts quickly and easily, ensuring the tree trunk does not cut into the image as desired.
The eraser tool allows for adjustments to the brush hardness and size using the square brackets. Additional options like opacity, flow, and smoothing are available, and experimenting with these settings is recommended to achieve the desired brush effects. By using the eraser tool to clear most of the background, and then transitioning to alternative tools like the Magic Wand tool for detailed sections, I progressively refine the image.
Zooming in using Command+ and navigating with the spacebar offers more precision during editing, especially when focusing on intricate details like removing the tree trunk outline. Adjusting the brush hardness can help create defined edges, such as on the tree trunk, enhancing the overall editing process. While there is more work to be done to seamlessly integrate the overlay layer, including adjusting color levels and brightness, the eraser tool proves to be a valuable asset in efficiently refining images within your Photoshop toolkit.